Hello student, now we are going to solve a C program. This is a very simple problem. Actually, we want to learn total C programming step by step in a easy way. Now C programming 4, problem number 4, write a program to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, first we add two header file stdio.h and conio.h hatch include within bracket stdio.h hatch include within bracket conio.h. Here all are small letter. Okay, for normal program we always add these two header file. As per program requirement, we add other header file. Okay, here we always maintain a proforma or structure for writing the C program. Void main, this is empty pair of parentheses. Void main is the main function of C program. We can also write only main function. This is bracket or block begins. This is the block end. Within block begins and end, we write here function and statement. Okay, here three variables: L length of rectangle, B width of rectangle, P perimeter of rectangle. Let L, B, P all are integer variable. Integer variable means whole number. First we declare the three integer variable int, L, B, P semicolon. There is no mistake, comma and semicolon. All are small letter. Okay, now printf within first bracket within quotation enter the length and width, next semicolon. Here printf function only display this message. Okay. Next, scanf within bracket, within quotation, %d, quotation end, comma, ampersand L, ampersand B, semicolon. By scanf function, input value of variable L and B from the keyboard. Scanf, here %d and %d, this is the format string. For integer variable we use %d. For one variable, only for L, one percentage variable, %d, here two variable, so 2%d, d for integer variable. Okay, this is ampersand symbol. Ampersand represent memory address. Okay, now we write the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. P equal to 2 asterisk means into, within bracket L plus B. In C program we use this symbol for multiplication. This is C programming representation. For algebra, 2 bracket L plus B. For C program, 2 into L bracket L plus B. Now output, printf within bracket quotation, the perimeter of the rectangle is %d/n, quotation end, comma, P bracket end, semicolon. Here printf function is used for display the value of variable P. Okay, this string %d for display integer variable of P. Okay, /n, we can write /n for display the result in the next line. This is not essential. Okay, at the end we always use getCha function. At the end we always, in every program, at the end we use getCha function. getCha function hold the output on the screen. Now we run. First we type the program without any mistake. If any mistake show error, then again we correct the program and run the program. Okay, first we type the program, then click on project, then compile, click on compile. There is show no error, error is 0. If any error, we again correct the program. Click on OK, there is no error. OK. Next, click on debug, click on run. OK, there is no error. Now it show enter the length and width. Okay, we put length 200. Next, must enter from keyboard, then put the next value. Width be equal to 40, type 40, enter. Now display the result. The perimeter of the rectangle is 480. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.